Today I'm here with my friend and we're going to react to Meat Slime with ASMR. So let's get started. What do you have to say today, friend?
That slime has become very popular and I can't wait to see how you have done it.
Okay, that is awesome. So let's start reacting. Okay. Disclaimer. This did technically fail for whatever reason.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Day 2. Oh, cute kitten.
Oh no. Interesting sounds.
It's very orange.
Yeah. It looks interesting and it's sparkly and it's finished. I hope
Thanks for watching. Oh, you're welcome.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and I'll see you guys all again next time.
Bye.
Bye.